Hello fam, in this video I'm going to show you how you can basically take partial profit. Alright, let's say you are currently in a trade and you are currently making profit. So this is how you are going to just take partial profit, alright, in the MT4, MT5. So now you are seeing currently I'm on this trades, alright, this is gold and I'm using 0.10. Alright, this is the mini lot. Alright, you are seeing the total here is 866. Alright, these are currently trades that are currently ongoing. So if you want to basically take a trade, all you need to do is you see where this arrow is pointing, right? Where this arrow is pointing, you just come there, you tap, okay, then you just move to the uh, left hand side, okay, then you are seeing here, all right, this arrow, you just tap it now. So the easiest thing you need to do is just to reduce your lot size, okay, just reduce your lot size and you are good to go. So now let's say now 0.01, okay, so you see close with profit of $10, okay, $10. So if let's say I want to increase my lot size, so 0.02, you see I'm going to close with $20. 0.03 at the bottom, you are saying close with profit of $30. 0.04, don't forget my lot size is 0.10. So I just want to, let's say I want to take 0.05, so I'm going to close with what's $51. So I'll just tab in close with profit. You see, close with profit. So you are seeing basically right now, if you move to the top here, you just see, you are seeing where this arrow is pointing, it says 0.05, which means I've reduced my position. Okay, I've reduced my lot size, so I took partial profit already. You are seeing all these other ones as 0.10. So if I want to take again, I want to take partial again, I'll just go again, move slide, tab in this area, then I'll just come in and take partial. All right, the amount of profit I want to take. Now I want to close with 0.05 again, and I'll tab in this one. So you are seeing here the second area again here. You are seeing I've just took partial, right? This is what you are seeing, the lot size varies, is different from this other one here. So this is how you basically take partial when you are currently on a trade. If you are currently making profit, okay, when you say take partial profit, let's say you are currently making this 102 and you want to take profit, all right, to stay at the safer end. Probably the market might turn against you. This is currently XAU USD, that is what ZAO or gold, okay, USD, and this is short. I'm selling. I predicted the price is going to move down, and it's moved down. So now I'm making profit. Probably the market might change. All right, the market is not going to go in just one order. So that's why you need to just take partial. All right, some of you guys have been asking me how to take partial on the MT4, MT5. So this is MT4, and you can do the same process. All right, hope this was very clear. So I'll just do one more example again. Now you see here, okay, now you see here, you just come here, okay, you tab in here, this is 0.10, this is mini lot. So you already know we have different lot sizes. All right, if you have not watched my complete forex for beginners, kindly check the playlist. All right, forex for beginners, I have complete 3 hours course that I explain everything from beginner to that of intermediate trading in terms of forex. All right, if you're interested in crypto also, you can basically check that out. So now this is 0.1 or 0.10. This is mini lot, right? We have standard lot, we have mini lot, we have the macro lot, and we have the nano lot. So now all we need to do again is move to 0.05, okay, 0.05. So we are going to close with profit of $50, and you tab in. Okay, so this is basically it's as easy as this. Alright, if you find value in this particular tutorial, ensure to subscribe if you have not, like this video, share this video, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment section. I will respond within 24 hours. Follow for more tutorial like this. Stay blessed.